Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, unboxing a product today that, quite frankly, probably should have already just came with your truck. We're talking about the Dauntless truck gear tailgate assist shock. Look, man, you thought it too. I'm sure you get home from the grocery store, Lowe's, whatever, you open up that tailgate bed. Boom, what happens? The tailgate slams down, knocks out your vertically challenged friend. He's passed out suing you. You don't want any of that. That's why you got to pick one of these bad boys up right here, man. It's a nice shock. It slowly comes down. Nobody gets hit in the noggin, no lawsuits. It is absolutely beautiful. And the good news is no matter what you're driving, probably got you covered. This particular one is going to go on a Chevy Silverado from the 07 to current models. But Dauntless also makes the tailgate assist shocks for the Fords, Dodges, Toyotas, Nissan trucks. Again, check it out on the website, MidwestAftermarket.com. What do you say we stop beating around the bush and open this bad boy up, huh, man? Get to the unboxing. All right. Well, first of all, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful shock right there. As I knock it out. It's durable, too. That's what's so beautiful about it. Take a look at that right there, man. Beautiful colors. Dauntless logo on there. Nice and smooth. Speaking of smooth, so the installation is going to be smooth, too. That's all, man. Look at this. That's everything. That's what I love so much about so much of the Dauntless truck gear stuff is that it's easy to install. It's DIY. No drilling whatsoever involved with this thing. Take a look at inside of this second bag. You got your lubricant. You got your brace, your bolt. Perhaps most importantly, at least for me, the full color pictured instructions. Nothing broken English here with those weird pictures where you go, what, that's not even my car. How am I supposed to get that on there? Not with this, baby boy. We got you covered, man. Again, it's going to stop that wear and tear on that tailgate that you know is happening every single time that bad boy flies wide open. And speaking of wear and tear, you don't got to worry about it on this thing because just like all the other Dauntless truck gear products that we're talking about today, it's going to come with a lifetime warranty. How about that? You don't got to worry. So install that quickly on your driver's side. Speaking of quickly, don't delay, man. Pick up the phone. Give us a call if you have any questions or simply go to MidwestAftermarket.com. It is the Dauntless truck gear tailgate assist shock. And quite frankly, I think it kind of smells good too. I like it. I'm Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We'll see you next time.